Bloody Mary. I'm gonna go in your room and jack your stuff. I'm not holding it. You're locked in the bathroom.
Mommy, don't lock me in the bathroom.
I'll lock it more for you.
Mom.
Sucker. Liar. Yes, now I could go in your room. So apparently I locked my sister in the bathroom. Have fun, Lana. I'm leaving now. I'm not holding it. Look, I'm going to